It was 2015, and there was an early awareness that we needed digital experts within the Lufthansa Group, but also in the aviation airline industry. And to be attractive for these talents, we all knew we need to change something fundamentally in the offer we can make with our working environment. And that was the role zeroG received at that time.
What I remember most vividly about the early days here at zeroG is that it was a very cozy office where all of the consultants were working together on exciting projects around data transformation within the Lufthansa Group. The atmosphere was very informal, very amicable and very warm, and that really attracted me to work here at this company. I heard about zeroG back in 2017 already, when it was just freshly founded as a new spin-off within the Lufthansa Group. And both founders, Jörg Liebe and Peter Arnett, were two people that I knew. They aimed for a company that was more self-organized, and that's what attracted me to work for this company.
I mean, we were 5 people in the beginning, not much to start this, but I would call the first year quite experimental, let's put it this way.
Back in the day, no one really knew the company. It was not really an established brand, as well as the topic of data and AI were not really that well established as well, so it was still a future trend. For me, the biggest turning points were when we started transforming from a line organization towards a teal organization. I thought it was very transformative and important, as well as getting our first customer outside of the Lufthansa Group.
When I started with Lufthansa Systems here as CEO 2 years ago, I had a very first meeting on innovation that day, and that brought us right away to the topic of AI and the involvement of zeroG. The most important role zeroG is playing for us is the full focus on technical excellence with data and bringing that into combination with aviation expertise. The projects gave us the opportunity to change from reactive operations into proactive operations.
The amazing thing is zeroG was there from the beginning, when we started talking about customer identity and personalization. And now they're there to scale our efforts in Lufthansa Group on AI with dedicated experts which understand both the business and the technology.
The intersection of data and aviation is especially important in innovation, simply because there is no innovation without data.
I think there's tons of examples of where zeroG's work has impacted the aviation industry. I think Sea is a clear example where we're using computer vision here at Frankfurt Airport together with Lufthansa Airlines and collecting real-time data from aircraft turnarounds to optimize resource allocation as well as punctuality and safety at the apron. Another example is how we've used machine learning to understand unplanned crew absence patterns and use these patterns to build a more robust crew plan.
Most interesting part of the zeroG culture is how we can all integrate with the approach and make sure that we benefit from the ambition, from the creativity and from the speed and delivery.
It's just a joy to work with people here as well, because it's the culture, it's very young, it's listening, but it's respectful and it's less ego-driven. And I think it's very exciting to look forward and think about all the potential which is yet to be unleashed.
10 years actually of accomplished projects, failed projects, so many new faces, amazing customers, and I'm extremely excited for everything what's going to come, for everything that we will accomplish together, and especially for every new face that we can introduce here at zeroG.